This is the moon yantra. Okay, again take some kumkum and haldi and then chant the mantra and show the doop or the incense stick smoke. Om Shram Shrim Shrom Saha Chandraya Namaha. Om Shantihi, Om Shantihi, Om Shantihi. Today's video, it's going to be very crucial because I'm going to reveal one tantra using mantra and yantra as to how do we specify certain planets, which are activated in your dasha bhukti and antar bhukti, and they are not favorable for you. Either they are your marakadisha or your badadipati. So what kind of prayers we need to offer to them? Okay, please don't forget to watch the video till the end. Okay, let's go.
Namaskaram. My name is Arun. I am from Bangalore. I have known Vinay ji for a long time, and over the years he has been a source of inspiration, guidance for me, a mentor, not only on astrology, but also on our general life conversations. Our lives are complicated as it is, and he's like a GPS who keeps telling us, helping us with the right way to move forward. His knowledge about the technologies that is in existence, the way he explained how tantra, yantra and mantra can be utilized in the right way to evolve our lives has been great. His knowledge and guidance about the various temples, various simple remedies that we can apply in our lives has been great. The best part is we can always consult him back after applying our remedies. We can check the results, always get back to him for guidance whenever necessary. A lot of us have no way to understand, sometimes most of these things are beyond our logic to understand, and he simplifies it and makes sense of how things are working. So Vinayji's services are highly recommended. His advice and guidance will always be a great boon for all of us. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.
Vallabham Gajananam Ekadantam. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Hrim Namah Shivaya. Om Hrim Namah Shivaya. Om Hrim Namah Shivaya. Shivaya Namo Om. Om Namah Suryaya Chandraya Mangalaya Bdaya Cha Guru Shukrashnibhyascha Rahuve Ketuve Namo Namaha. Hari Om Tat Sat Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hi everyone, welcome back to Astrology. Today's video is the extension of the first two parts of Planet Mula Mantras. This is going to be the next level. What I mean by next level is that if you have watched my previous two videos, you would have understood what is marakadisha, what is badadipati, and which are the planets in your chart you need to worship or specify or take care of, right? And you would have also learned their Mula Mantras by now. Okay, today I am just taking to the next level where I am going to tell you a very effective way of offering prayers to them by chanting their mantras, by using incense sticks, in a very proper and a systematic way. Okay, so please stick to this video and watch it completely so that you can get benefited. Okay, now before I start, if you are new to my channel, please ensure that you hit that subscribe button so that you get auto notification all the time. And before we go to the actual topic, we have certain free giveaways. Let me quickly take you through them. The first and foremost is you stand a chance to get 50 plus pages personalized numerology report for yourself or anyone else, along with a birth chart. And most importantly, you can have a free telephonic consultation with me on any of the coming Saturdays on first come first serve basis. What you will have to do, you just have to send a message that I need free report on this particular number, WhatsApp number, and we will get back to you and we will ask you to complete certain very simple tasks. Once you do it, you will get your numerology report as well as free consultation. So if you are watching this video directly and if you have not watched the previous two videos, which is Mula Mantra part 1 and Mula Mantra part 2, Please go back and watch those videos so that you get a context or background as to why I am making this video. It's important for you to understand what is marakadisha, what is badadipati, and also understand the Mula mantras of those planets, which I have given in a very detailed manner in my previous two videos for all the 12 signs. Okay, starting from Aries to Pisces, from Mesh Lagna to Meen Lagna. I have given the entire details in two parts of the video, my previous two videos. Please go and watch them. Very quickly, I will also tell you a few things here. Marakadisha is the second or seventh house lord in your birth chart, and Badadipati, as it is written there for Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn, it's the 11th house lord. Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius, it is the 9th house lord. Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces, it's the 7th house lord. Okay, so both Marakadisha and Badadipati, whenever they come in your Dasha, Bhukti, or Antar Bhukti, or in other words, when they get activated in your Dasha, Bhukti, or Antar Dasha, they tend to give us some kind of problems. Okay, apart from Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu. So now how do we ensure that whenever they get activated, the magnitude of negative impact is minimal? Okay, so therefore in the previous videos I spoke about the Mula mantras which you need to chant on certain days starting from the day of that particular planet, and today I am going to the next level where I am going to tell you even more effective remedy to pacify or to calm down those planets so that you don't have too much of problems during that time. Okay, so therefore what is the objective of this video? I will help you with all the 9 yantras for 9 planets. I will show you a 3 by 3 matrix for each of the yantra starting from Sun to Ketu, all the 9 planets. So you can make a note of that. So if the time is less when the video is going on, you pause the video and write it down. You don't need to write down the yantras of all the planets. You have to write down the mantras of those planets which are Marakadisha and Badadipati for you. And you need to do this prayer for them. How to go about those prayers? Just keep watching, I'll let you know. Okay, so that's the objective of this video. Okay, now just to reiterate, if some of you are watching this video for the first time and if you have not watched the previous two videos, this is the step that you need to follow. First, get to know the Marakadisha and Badadipati for your ascendant or Lagna. You have to watch the previous two videos. Learn Mula mantras, or at least understand the Mula mantras for these planets, especially your Marakadisha and Badadipati. You have to watch the previous two videos, though I am going to show the mantras once again today. Write down the yantra for these planets, for Marakadisha and Badadipati. Write down the yantra and watch this video completely so that you can understand how to offer prayers to those planets which are Marakadisha and Badadipati for you. Okay, and before I go ahead, please ensure that you subscribe to this channel. The objective of my channel is to spread the awareness of Vedic science, which is astrology, numerology, Vastu, law of attraction, and many more things. Okay, and I hope by subscribing you are going to support me. Now let's understand the yantra for each planet. How do they look? What is the mantra for each planet and what is the yantra for each planet? Okay, let's go. Okay, so let me show you all the yantras one by one. Let's start with Surya yantra, Sun yantra. You can also see the mantra here, Mula mantra, Om Hram Hrim Hrom Saha Suryaya Namaha. If you watch my earlier videos on Mula mantras, you also get to see there, but it's a bonus. You can also see the mantra here. So this is Surya mantra, and you have to write it, on a paper, which is, can you see this paper? A very simple white paper, a small one. On this, you can write this 3 by 3 square, which is nothing but the Surya yantra. Let's go to the next one. This is the Chandra mantra or the moon mantra. Om Shram Shrim Shrom Saha Chandraya Namaha, and this is the 3 by 3 square, which is nothing but the moon or Chandra yantra. Now let's go to the Mars yantra or Angaraka or Kuja or Mangal yantra. First the mantra is Om Kram Krim Krom Saha Bhaumaya Namaha, and here is the yantra, which is a 3x3 matrix. Once again, this is the Mangal yantra. First let's understand the Mercury mantra or the Buddha mantra. Om Brahm Brim Brom Saha Budaya Namaha. This is the mantra, and the yantra is here, which is a 3x3 matrix, so you can pause the video if you want to write down this yantra. Jupiter mantra Om Gram Grim Grom Saha Guruve Namaha, and here is the yantra for Guru or Jupiter. Venus or Shukra, here is the mantra Om Dram Dream Drom Saha Shukraya Namaha, and below that you can see the yantra for Shukra or Venus. Now let's go to Saturn. The Saturn mantra is Om Pram Prim Prom Saha Shanaye Namaha, and here is the yantra for Saturn, which you can write down, as I said, on a piece of paper, which is very similar to this one. You can use this kind of paper and write it down. Next is Rahu mantra and Rahu yantra. The Rahu mantra goes like this: Om Brahm Brim Brom Saha Rahuve Namaha, and below that you can see the yantra for Rahu. And finally for Ketu, the Ketu mantra goes like this: Om Stram Strim Strom Saha Ketuve Namaha, and the yantra is just below that, 3x3 matrix, what you can see there. Okay, and as I said, you can write down these yantras on a very small piece of paper like this, and when you watch my prayer video you will understand how I have written it. Okay, all the best. Now I hope that you have seen all the yantras for all the 9 planets, and as I said before, you don't require to make the yantra of all the planets. Just find out who are your marakadisha and badadipatis. Based on that, you create or make or write down that yantra. Just take a small cut piece of the white paper and write it either in blue ink pen or green ink pen. Okay, avoid writing in red ink pen. Okay, write it down, and now let's see how to offer prayers to those particular planets. Okay, so just one call out, you have to do this ritual or offering these prayers on a particular day every week. For example, if moon is your badadipati or marakadisha, then you have to do it on Mondays. This particular prayer, this offering you have to do on Mondays during daytime. Okay, only for Rahu and Saturn you have to do this prayer after sunset, starting from a Saturday or every Saturday. Okay, for Mars it is every Tuesday during daytime. For Mercury it's every Wednesday during daytime. For Jupiter it's every Thursday during daytime. For Venus it's every Friday during daytime. For Saturn it's every Saturday after sunset. For Rahu it's every Saturday after sunset, and for Ketu during daytime you can do it on Tuesdays. Now let's go and understand how to conduct this ritual or the puja or the prayers to those planets which are marakadisha or badadipati. Okay, let's go. This is the moon yantra. Okay, again take some kumkum and haldi, and then chant the mantra and show the dhoop or the incense stick smoke. Om Shram Shrim Shrom Saha Chandraya Namaha. Om Shantihi Om Shantihi Om Shantihi. Then this is the sun yantra, sun planetary yantra, same process. Put the kumkum and arshin, and then show the incense stick smoke. Okay, Om Hram Hrim Hrom Saha Suryaya Namaha. Om Shantihi Om Shantihi Om Shantihi. Then we go to Jupiter, which is Guru. So these planets are what I have to pray because of some reasons which I have explained in another video. For you, you have to make the yantra for your required planets. Okay, so Guru. Om Gram Grim Grom Saha Guruve Namaha. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Next we go to Angaraka, who is nothing but your Mangal Graha, Kujagraha. Okay. So Om Kram Krim Krom Saha Angarakaya Devaya Namo Namaha. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Next I go to Saturn. Today is Saturday. So after sunset I am doing it. For Saturn and Rahu, you have to do it after sunset, this ritual. For other planets, you can do it in the morning prayers. Okay, to do it 3 times. Om Pram Prim Prom Saha Shanaye Namaha. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Om Pram Prim Prom Saha Shanaye Namaha. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Om Pram Prim Prom Saha Shanishcharaya Devaya Namo Namaha. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Then the last one for me is Rahu. So today again it's Rahu's day also, along with Saturn. For Rahu also you have to do the prayers after sunset, both Saturn and Rahu. See, this is the yantra which I have already shown in the video. And now for Rahu, Om Brahm Brim Brom Saha Rahuve Namaha. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Om Brahm Brim Brom Saha Rahuve Namaha. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Hari Om. Om Namah Suryaya Chandraya Mangalaya Budaya Cha Guru Shukra Shanibhyascha Rahuve Ketuve Uranus Neptune Pluto Namo Namaha. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. So basically you are praying to the planets, all the concerned planets. And if it is Saturn, you do it on Saturday, Saturn and Rahu. For Kuja, right, you do it for Mangal Graha, you do it on Tuesday, okay, in the morning. Likewise, you have to start it on that particular day. For Moon, you know, it is on Monday. So it depends. I do it on Tuesdays and Saturdays. So for you, based on the planets that are involved, you have to do it on that particular day. But the key takeaway from this is that, you know, take the incense stick, show the smoke to the yantra, and chant the planet Mula mantra, and in the end add Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. All the best. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to perform this puja. And if you have any questions, clarifications, please feel free to write to the WhatsApp number which is given here, and we will be happy to help you. And therefore now this is the time for you to like this video, comment on this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, until next time, please take care. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Thank you very much.